Every day's a new challenge. You very rarely run into the same thing over and over. I enjoy the challenge. That's the main reason I do it.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
My name is Jeremy.
Nice
I'm a technician with Reliant. Nice to meet you, ma'am. I'm here to do maintenance on your equipment for you.
Great.
All right. If you'll just show me where everything's located, the thermostats, how to access the indoor units, and I did notice the 2 outdoor units when I walked up.
Okay.
So if you'll lead the way and let me show me where everything's located, I'll get to work. Make sure everything's nice and tight, nothing loose. Since I have the power off to the furnace, I'm going to check this blower run capacitor. Make sure it's within its tolerance, within 10% of its rating. And it is, it looks good, no problems there. What I'm doing right here is I'm hooking up a digital manometer here to check the manifold gas pressure to these burners. Very important piece of maintenance to make sure this thing is operating as efficiently and safely as possible. Part of the maintenance is these things need to be cleaned off for them to operate properly. And it's as simple as just dusting it off with a brush. I'm sure there's a lot of companies that don't take the time to do this, but it's a necessary part of the maintenance. All these little fine pointy things, you can see the dust built up on it. All that needs to be removed. Very fine buildup of dust, and you just simply brush it off. Part of this, of course, the spring maintenance on one of these, it's very important that you have somebody check it out, preferably Reliant Air Conditioning, at least a couple times a year to make sure it's running at its peak efficiency. That way they can hopefully get an extended life out of it by doing proper maintenance. Mrs. Tadros?
Yes.
I did find one issue while I was doing my checks. You have a capacitor outside that is testing weak. We always recommend replacing them if they're more than 10% off their stamp rating on the capacitor.
Okay.
Yours is rated at 45 and only tested at 27, so it's well out of that 10% range. We recommend replacing it because it puts strain on the motor. It consumes more energy that way, and it could damage the equipment in the long run. It's $139.75 to replace it.
Okay.
Would you like me to go ahead and replace it?
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
You bet. I'll get it taken care of. If I find any other issues, I'll let you know.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Tadros, I'm all finished with the maintenance. Everything checks good, including that repair I made out there.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. It was
Thank
a pleasure.
you. Thank you for choosing Reliant. You have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
Bye-bye.